Hello, I'm in a 2010 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to get this gas cover open so you can fill gas as needed to keep driving. So as you can see, it's got like a safety feature here. So now we're going to go around to the driver's side. And then here we'll pop open the driver's door, and if you look down here, you should see something like this with a little bit of tension, but you pull. And now that little cover should be opened. So we'll go back around. And then sure enough, this is open. So now you can unscrew this, fill with your gas as needed. Always make sure to put the right kind of gas, but this is your standard fuel. Screw on. And then when you close this again, it'll activate that safety feature again. So if you need to get back in there, you'll have to go back around and pull that little lever. But I hope this was helpful. And if you're having issues with that, maybe you got some debris or something stuck in there, that once you do get it open, you might want to make sure you clean it out really well. But otherwise, hope you have a great day.